Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be another hair tutorial. This wig is by RPGSHOW and their new wig construction. This is their Maxipart, their 10x6 closures. I have this color today. This is like a cherry cola color, very like perfect for like autumn winter. Such a nice color. So I'm going to show you how I install it, and I'm also going to show you the wig cap construction as well, how it's a little bit different to their regular wigs. These wigs are meant to be designed to be worn glueless as well, if that's your preference. I prefer a bit more of a snug, secure fit with my wig, so I do add some spray and stuff to it, but I will show you anyway. This is a 20 inches and it's 180% density, so a little bit thinner than I usually have it. Don't think I ever show you what the box, what the wig comes in. It comes in this nice black box with the gold logo. And on the inside, you just get like a little envelope with like the wig details. Lace melting elastic band. You have a wig cap, and you get like a magazine, an RPGSHOW magazine as well. So, and also if you are storing your wigs, you get this wig bag, which is very handy when it comes to traveling with your wigs. I'm gonna go straight into it. So this is what the wig cap construction looks like. I just have a separate one for you. So it looks like that. It has the drawstring at the back, so you can actually adjust, adjust the wig cap to your head shape or head size. Looks like that. So as you can see, the air tabs fit really well on the sides. Sometimes it can be quite uncomfortable when you wear these wigs and they don't really fit around your ear. There's also an elastic band as well from ear to ear, which helps the wig stay snug and you can wear it glueless. But I'm gonna show you how I apply mine. I'm actually gonna use like some spray just to make sure it's a lot more secure. This is a 10x6, so it doesn't go, it stops just around there. And then you have this extra space, but you can just like maybe use some tape or something just to make sure that's like flat. But I'm gonna be wearing mine in like a middle part, so it will kind of hide it anyway. So let's cut the lace. I'm just gonna flatten this. I got this hot comb from Amazon because the one I used to use, the one I always use, just keeps breaking. I'm not sure why. The pink hot comb, it just keeps saying error, so I'm like, let's try a different brand and see how this works. But yeah, the reason why I use that one was because it goes up to 260 degrees. So there's this one, which is about 500 degrees Fahrenheit for my American girlies. So this is 260 degrees Celsius, which is the hottest. So I've had it for like 2 days now, so far so good. Just gonna add some just very light curls, nothing too crazy. Okay, let's just brush this out. Okay, so this is it. Just real quick curls, nothing too crazy. Really nice color, really cute color for fall. I hope you like it. I think it's really cute. Just gonna add some quick serum just to keep everything together. As always, I always say I wish they made, you know, a higher density. This is actually 180% density. It usually comes in 200, but this particular wig came in 180. But adding some curls is kind of giving it some volume, and I also sprayed some dry shampoo, just add some more volume and some like texture to it. But yes, this is the finished look. Hope you like it. I will put all the information down below. If you've never tried a 10x6 before, 10x6 closure, this could be for you. If you're kind of still kind of like a beginner in the frontal closure game. If you're interested, definitely try and check out this wig.